Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make this incredibly soft and super delicious chocolate banana bread. It's super easy to make and perfect served up with a cup of tea. So the first thing we need to do is mash up 3 bananas. To that we're going to add in the oil, the milk, the brown sugar, and the vanilla. Then give that a good whisk together until all the sugar is broken down and dissolved and everything is well combined. To that we're going to sift in the plain flour 1 cup at a time. And in the second cup we're going to add in the bicarb soda. Next we're going to sift in the cocoa powder. And give it a good mix to combine. Then finally we're going to add in the chocolate chips and gently mix them through. Then all we need to do is pour the mixture into a baking tin that's been dusted with some butter and some flour. Smooth over the mixture until it evenly covers the pan. And we're going to top that off with a few extra chocolate chips. We're then going to pop that into the oven for 35 minutes. We're then going to take it out of the oven and cover it with some aluminium foil. Then back into the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes. When the skewer comes out clean, then you know it's done. Let it cool in the tin for about 10 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool a little bit further before slicing. Now I find it best served while it's still warm with a little bit of butter. Yummo! It's so delicious. It's got that lovely chocolate flavour, it's sweet but not too sweet, and is perfect when you're feeling like an afternoon treat. So I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, making sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you all next week. Bye bye!